And another day in the 60s on tap for this afternoon. In fact, today's weather is going to be pretty much perfect. Of the remaining days this week, today is actually the pick day to get outside. Tomorrow's going to be much windier as we do get a storm system that moves through. It gives us some transitional winds, if you will, and it won't be as warm, but at least it won't be cold for the rest of the week. It's pretty much just going to be average temperatures, which is 50s by the end of March and the beginning of April. But today, about 10 degrees above average as we stand with another day in the 60s, making it 4 days in a row after we just couldn't get 60 degrees for some reason earlier this month. Now we just got a nice little stretch going right now. Looks nice out at Coeur d'Alene. Temperature at 44 degrees right now. It's just a light northerly breeze at about 6 miles per hour. Nothing really much going on for today. In fact, we're in between two storm systems. The swirl you see in the water vapor imagery to the south, that created some of the showers that we had yesterday, but it's taking its energy along with it eastward. So we get a nice little break right here between these waves in the jet stream, and it's very dynamic, but can't hold all that much strength when the jet stream is almost that violent in terms of its north to south flow. So what happens is here's a few scattered showers out east. We get a nice little break in the action. The Pacific Northwest, you can see some of that cloud cover way on the left side of your screen. That'll be tomorrow's storm system, which will primarily give us some stronger winds. Yes, there will be some chances for showers, but the winds is definitely the priority between those two factors. So today, a calm day overall of 5 to 10 mile per hour winds. Tomorrow, wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. It will be a bit more than noticeable in terms of the winds, but just shy of what we would consider a damaging wind. We're just kind of somewhere in between where it might give you a nice strong push on the side. So strong westerly winds for tomorrow. Those will calm down heading into Thursday. As for the rain side of things, you're not going to see much again unless you're in some of our northern communities. So from Republic, Grand Coulee, and Chewelah and Sandpoint northward, best chance of showers there. We'll call it a chance for showers between Spokane and Coeur d'Alene, mainly for the morning hours tomorrow, but it's certainly possible all day long. It's one of those hard things where it's like it's scattered, so it's going to be on and off, and honestly, it's going to be a lot more off than it is on in terms of rainfall tomorrow. Temperatures settle back into the 50s for the rest of this week, which is close to normal, which is low to mid 50s for this time of year, which is the end of March and the beginning of April, and we've got a pretty steady and consistent weather pattern ahead, but it has been nice to still get the 60s from this past weekend through today.